मनः प्रसादः सौम्यत्वं मौनमात्म विनिग्रह भाव संशुद्धिरत्येतपो मात्र समुच्यते.
It was a wonderful experience, sir. The moment I entered into the campus, the nostalgia begins. All was good, सब चीज़ बढ़िया चल रहा था. But वो कहते हैं ना कि there is a twist in life.
बिहार क्या कहेंगे?
Opportunity.
Yes, opportunity. Welcome to MET TV, my dear viewers. I always say that the success of a teacher is always dependent upon the success of the child. If students are successful, teachers' success and university success is guaranteed. And in order to define our efforts, what we have been doing to make sure that every student at MET is given good academics, good application, good attitude, so that he should become a success story. Today we have with us another success story, Nilab Keshav, our alumni from the very first batch of MET University. If in case I take an opportunity to define the characteristics of Nilab, I must use one slok from Bhagavad Gita. Manah prasadah saumyatvam maun matma vinigraha bhav sanshuddhiratyetapo matma samuchyate. Most welcome, Nilab Keshav. Welcome to MET University, Patna.
Thank you, sir. It's honor being here. It's all about being home again, because I know that in 2009 it was Amity when it started in Patna. So I'm from that batch. And this podcast is very special as this is with my VC, sir. Thank you for the opportunity, sir. Thank you for your kind words.
Most welcome. Most welcome. Nilab, if in case you can talk about yourself, we know a child who studied at MET, was brilliant in his studies, has started his career and has excelled day by day and has reached to the stage where he is today heading CII Bihar and has been contributing in all the ways to make sure that our own state Bihar is developing and shining further. I would like to understand from you, from your mouth, about your journey.
The story is so simple. It's a traditional, typical Bihari boy story. So I have completed my graduation in mass communication and then MBA from Amity. Everything was going well, training in ST media and editorial, as my mass communication was my flair. And then I started my job in Delhi. All was good, सब चीज़ बढ़िया चल रहा था. But वो कहते हैं ना कि there is a twist in life. So just because of some personal issues, I have to got back to Patna. And वहाँ से कहानी में twist आता है. Jobs were very limited those days, and finally I got job in sales. So I started my career Patna again, reworked, and it was from sales profile. I worked as a sales manager in a bank,
Okay.
but it was a blessing in disguise, because I strongly think that जो sales में job कर लिया वो दुनिया का हर job कर सकता है.
Correct.
It taught me well about resilience. It taught me well about to accept the rejection, negotiation, and many more. So after that, after doing a sales job for almost 7 years, I got break in CII. I started there as an executive, and now I'm working and heading CII Bihar State Office.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, if in case I take words from Nilab, my one message to all my children, all my students is, do not hesitate in taking up job of sales. That will make you perfect, and one day you will also be shining like Nilab is shining today, heading CII Bihar. Nilab, I can recall 12 years back, once I came to Bihar. Believe me, I have seen Bihar evolving every day. Every day I am seeing something or other positive has been happening in Bihar, and day by day we have been growing, we have been shining. You were born at Bihar. So, if in case I would like to understand from you, and because you are heading CII, especially the industrial aspect, what is the development happening, if in case we can listen from your point of view?
Right. So I would like to talk about Bihar journey for the last 10 years. 10 साल से पीछे नहीं जाते हैं, but इन 10 सालों में we have worked a lot, improved a lot in terms of infrastructure. So capital expenditure पे बहुत काम हुआ है. Government have worked a lot. We have a very strong infrastructure, and the growth rate for Bihar has been 8 to 10% more than the national average for the last 8 to 10 years, and we are doing well. However, we are lagging behind in terms of per capita income, but significantly we will improve on that. So now it's done for the investment. Capital expenditure हो गया. We have a very good infrastructure. Now it's time to get investment. So Bihar है तैयार, which is the tagline of Bihar government.
Yes,
Now we
Bihar
are
है
ready for the
तैयार.
investment, and ये साल हमारा है because policies आ चुकी हैं, infrastructure है. अब बिहार को boom करना है as far as investment is concerned, as far as jobs are concerned and opportunities are concerned.
Once you have been talking about all these things, I must take this opportunity to bow down before government of Bihar for doing all these things continuously. मैं आपको बताऊं, मैंने अपनी आंखों के सामने देखा है ये सब होते हुए, रोड्स बनते हुए. आज आपको बिहार के किसी भी कोने में जाना है, तो रोड्स आपको बहुत अच्छी मिलेंगी और आप शायद 4 या 5 घंटे में किसी भी कॉर्नर तक आप पहुँच सकते हैं बहुत आसानी से. आप अगर पटना सिटी की बात करें, तो ये सिटी पूरी तरह से वेल कनेक्टेड है. आप कहीं भी जाना चाहें, तो हाईवेज़, एलिवेटेड रोड, आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. आप किसी भी तरीके का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जानना चाहें, तो शायद वो बिहार में आज अवेलेबल है. मैं भी कहता हूँ, बदलता बिहार, बिहार है तैयार. आइए, इन्वेस्ट करिए. एक बहुत बड़ी बिज़नेस मार्केट यहाँ अवेलेबल है जो अनएक्सप्लोर्ड है. आप सभी को इस पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू मिलाप के साथ मैं भी इनवाइट करता हूँ कि बिहार में आइए, बिहार में इन्वेस्ट करिए. बिहार आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत करता है. Nilab, I would like to understand from you that what is the role of CII? What is the role CII has been playing in order to make sure that more and more business should come in Bihar?
So I would like to tell you, sir, that it has been 9 years in CII, and I started my job as an executive in CII. So CII is more than an industrial organization, industrial association. We are not in only into policy advocacy. We are working closely with the government, academics like Amity, to revive the industrial and integrated growth of state. So we have worked a lot in as far as policies are concerned. लास्ट 2 साल में 10 से 12 पॉलिसीज़ आई हैं, जिसमें सीआई ने काफ़ी अच्छा रिकमेंडेशन दिया है. गवर्नमेंट के साथ बहुत क्लोज़ली काम किया है हम लोगों ने. और अगर इनिशिएटिव की बात करें, तो वी हैव डन सो मेनी इन्वेस्टमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स लाइक रोड शोज़ इन दुबई, जापान लाइक ओसाका एंड टोक्यो, दुबई,
Wonderful,
ढाका.
wonderful.
एंड नेशनली वी हैव डन लॉट्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट रोड शोज़, और वहाँ बहुत सारे एमओयूज़ साइन हुए. एमओयूज़ से आगे बढ़ के इन्वेस्टमेंट आए भी हैं सीआई के माध्यम से.
Wonderful.
So we are working closely with the government in terms of policy,
Very good.
in terms of investment, and in terms of skill development.
Very good, Nilab. I must say that Nilab ने जब से ज्वाइन किया है सीआईआई, सीआईआई का फेस बदल गया है. सीआईआई से एक्टिव कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, ये तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा, मगर सीआईआई बहुत आगे है, बहुत एक्टिव है और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है बिहार में. नीलाभ, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, there a very recent research you have published in newspaper that Bihar, the next few years, this will be the economy. I am not saying all these things because I want that we should listen this from the mouth of our own child, Emetian Nilab.
So there is a very interesting story behind this vision document.
Yes,
It's
team.
a CII vision document. Actually, we were at that those days we were working closely with the then Honorable Industry Minister. You must be aware of Mr. Nitish Mishra.
Nitish
So
Mishra.
one fine morning he called me and he said that I need to discuss something. So I went there and he said that we are thinking that we should amplify what we have done in last 10 years in terms of industrial growth and integrated growth story of the state. So वहाँ से बात शुरू हुई, and we accommodated our economic affairs team of CII, and we started working in that direction. And it was very technical vision report which says where we have speculated with the data, with the relevant data, that Bihar is going to be US $1 trillion economy by 2047. And it created buzz in the market. It was in national newspaper, national media throughout 7 days and 8 days, and there was a strong message going nationwide that Bihar has the potential for the investment. And very interesting fact you must be aware of, that we have the youngest population in the state.
Yes.
So around 70% state population is below 40. So it's an
Correct.
achievement, and it will attract investors to come.
Correct.
So
Correct.
this was the vision report, and I would like to share the fact that now we are going to get into the next phase of vision report, that will talk more about the roadmap, that how we can reach that US $1 trillion economy.
Very true, Nilab, very true. Our Honorable Prime Minister always says that India is young. India is young. And I must say, as you have mentioned, Bihar is the youngest state in India. And whenever we have been talking about population of Bihar, यहाँ लोग बहुत मेहनती हैं, बहुत ईमानदार हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं। आप कोई भी काम असाइन करिए, तो आप ये मानकर चलिए कि वो रिज़ल्ट आपको उसमें दे देंगे। बिहार ही है, जिसने बहुत सारे देशों की जीडीपीज़ में अपना कॉन्ट्रिब्यूशन दे रखा है। किसी भी वर्ल्ड के कोने में जाइए, आपको वहाँ एक बिहार का इंसान मिलेगा। हायर लेवल से लेकर के हर जगह आपको मिलेगा। वो वहाँ पर एग्ज़ीक्यूशन का काम देख रहा है और चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छे से कर रहा है, करा रहा है। मैं वापस बिहार में आता हूँ। बिहार में इफ इन केस वी हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉपुलेशन, I would like to listen from you about women empowerment, because आधी आबादी तो हमारी नारियों की है, जो नारी शक्ति बिहार को और मजबूत बनाती है। Would like to listen from you about नारी शक्ति।
Sir, it's very important. We always says that आधी आबादी की हिस्सेदारी. So I think that Bihar is working phenomenal in that direction, women empowerment, because Honorable CM का जो direction और focus area है वो भी महिलाओं के उत्थान पे है.
Yes.
And Jivika is one of the success story and the best practices which we can share to nation and worldwide even. But I think that women empowerment comes from financial independence. For me personally, I believe that financial independence starts from two I. One is I, means my identification, and another is I, that is income. So without financial independence, women empowerment cannot be done. So government is also focusing. We have also a wing, that is CIIWN. So Bihar is doing well in that. And I think that we have to change the perception that Nari किसी से पीछे नहीं है.
Yes,
We have to break that taboo. Like that we always used to say that ये बेटी मेरी बेटा जैसा है, या फिर ये वाइफ मटेरियल है,
correct,
या फिर ब्यूटी विद द ब्रेन्स.
correct,
तो वी हैव टू ब्रेक दोज टैबूज. जब
correct,
तक वो तोड़ा नहीं जाएगा, तब तक
correct,
उत्थान और वो बैलेंस वाली बात जो है वो
correct,
होगी नहीं.
correct, correct.
सो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट डायरेक्शन सर.
Correct, Nilab, correct. And if in case I talk about MIT University Patna, 60% faculty members are female and 60% children are also female. And without them, we are incomplete. They are the persons who have been taking MIT University Patna forward. So Nari Shakti ko mera naman. And with this, I would move ahead. आपने जीविका की बात की थी. I want that I should also share my viewpoint. I got opportunity to meet with Rahul ji, Shri Rahul ji, and also Shri Himanshu ji. So I have seen this Jivika project of Honorable Chief Minister very closely. Believe me, there is no other model available in entire world which is better than Jivika model. And I'm sure if in case studies have been going on, have already happened, and many other countries, many other states will also be opting this model of Jivika, तो शायद हमारा ये फर्ज बनता है कि हम अपने ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर को एक बार पुनः इस बात के लिए धन्यवाद दें कि उन्होंने इतना अच्छा मॉडल क्रिएट कर रखा है. I am now coming to another part. With the help of population of Bihar, inviting investment in Bihar, I would like to understand from my own child, Nilab, what is the road ahead?
Sir, as I have mentioned earlier, that we have done a lot in capital expenditure. We have one of the best infrastructure in Eastern India. Now it's done for the investment. And the biggest hurdle is perception. वो जो barrier है, we have to break it. And for that matter, we have to. I was just interacting with a very big industry stakeholder of Eastern India. I will say that he is one of the top steel manufacturer of Eastern India nationwide, Mr. Narendra Goyal, Goyal TMT. I was interacting with him
Okay,
in a road show,
okay.
and he said that yeah, बिहार में पॉलिसीज है, अच्छी बात है, और पॉलिसीज से इन्वेस्टमेंट आते भी हैं, ये भी सही है.
बिहार बहुत सेफ जगह है, बिहार के लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, बिहार के लोग बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं, शायद मदद करने में कोई आगे आए या ना आए, बिहार के लोग सबसे आगे आपको खड़े मिलेंगे मदद करने के लिए। मैं एक बार फिर से आप सबको इनवाइट करता हूं कि बिहार में आइए, बिहार में इन्वेस्ट करिए, आपको हर एक चीज़ जो एक अच्छे बिज़नेस को सेट करने के लिए, सेटअप करने के लिए चाहिए होती है, हर वो चीज़ बिहार में अवेलेबल है। वो नीलाभ, मैं शायद अब अलाउ करो मुझे कि मैं थोड़ा-सा पर्सनल हो जाऊँ। अभी तक हम लोग बिहार इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट और इन्वेस्टमेंट इन सभी की बात कर रहे थे। थोड़ा-सा मैं पर्सनल हो जाऊँ, मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारे एमिटी डेज़ में ले जाना चाहता हूँ। अगर कुछ एमिटी की यादें तुम्हारे पास हैं, क्योंकि तुम फर्स्ट बैच के हो, मैं तुमसे सुनना चाहूँगा उन यादों के बारे में।
It was a wonderful experience, sir. The moment I entered into the campus, the nostalgia begins, and I was just thinking about those old days. So, Amity taught me so many lessons. I think that it was all about managing your life. Management is not about your professional life, it's about managing your life. So, I have learned a lot. I miss those days, and I have learned a lot, sir, from Amity. So it was wonderful experience being here, and I'm really grateful that today I'm chatting with you in front of you, and we have some proposals to Amity also in
मोस्ट
terms
वेलकम,
of
मोस्ट वेलकम,
industry academia collaboration, sir.
मोस्ट वेलकम, मोस्ट वेलकम।
So it's phase 2.
Wonderful, wonderful. MIT is always willing to collaborate with everyone, everyone. We are here to make sure कि हम अपना धर्म पूरी तरह से निभाएं। हम जिस मिट्टी का नमक खा रहे हैं, उस मिट्टी के लिए सारे कर्तव्य पूरे करें और ये इंश्योर करें कि हम शायद उसके कंट्रीब्यूशन में एक छोटा-सा ही हिस्सा सही, हम भी उसका पार्ट बनें। Nilab, if in case you allow me, मैं तुम्हारे लिए एक शायद छोटी-सी पोएम कहना चाहूँगा, जो जो ये बताती है कि नीलाभ ने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था एंड नीलाभ हैज़ रीच्ड टू दिस लेवल ऑफ स्टेट हेड ऑफ सीआईआई। मार्ग नहीं होते सुगम, बहुधा आती हैं बाधाएँ। हर मुश्किल हट जाती है यदि वीर कहीं पर डट जाएँ। मुकुट कहाँ करते हैं निर्णय किसके मस्तक पर चढ़ना है। जीवंत कर सपनों को तुम्हें, इतिहास नया एक रचना है, इतिहास नया एक रचना है। नीलाभ, सीआईआई ने तुम्हें ये ज़िम्मेदारी दी है, तुम्हारे सर पर ये मुकुट दिया है, तो ये ज़िम्मेदारी तुम्हारी है कि हम सब मिल कर के बिहार को और बेहतर बनाने के लिए हमारा छोटा-सा, बड़ा जो भी रोल है, हम उसे पूरी मेहनत से लग कर के कर रहे होंगे और हम अपना इसमें फ़र्ज़ निभा रहे होंगे। अगर अलाउ करो तो मैं वन वर्ड एक रैपिड फायर तुम्हारे साथ करना चाहता हूँ। बिहार, क्या कहेंगे?
Opportunity.
यस, अपॉर्च्युनिटी, फुल विद अपॉर्च्युनिटी। सेल्स जॉब, योर एक्सपीरियंस,
Accepting the rejection make you more strong.
पॉलिसी और एग्ज़ीक्यूशन।
Execution. We have enough of policy now. Now it's turn to execute it.
Yes, very true. Very true. We all should now work upon that, and government has done its part. Now it is our duty, the duty of citizens, the duty of officers, that we should make sure that we should bring good investment in Bihar. Chai ya coffee?
Black coffee, sir. To be more fitter.
Okay, it detox liver.
Right, right,
So you prefer that.
right.
Okay. Thank you so very much, Nilab. Thank you for coming to MIT University, Patna. हमारे खुद के बच्चे अपने घर वापस आते हैं, अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन वापस आते हैं, शायद इससे बड़ा हमारे लिए और कोई सपना नहीं है कि हमारे हर एक बच्चा, our honorable founder president sir has given us only one task to make sure that every MITian is becoming a success story. और हम इस बात के लिए कमिटेड हैं that we will be complying with the instructions of honorable founder president sir. अच्छी पढ़ाई कराएंगे, अच्छा एप्लीकेशन सिखाएंगे, स्किल्स देंगे, एक बहुत अच्छा एटीट्यूड बच्चों को पैदा करेंगे उनके अंदर, एंड विल मेक श्योर that we have been producing not only one Nilab, but every student should become Nilab one day, become success story, complete, achieve the goal of Honorable Founder President Sir. With this aim, thank you so very much. अगले एपिसोड में फिर किसी के साथ एक और हस्ती एमिट यूनिवर्सिटी पटना से जुड़ी हुई. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.